Morgan, I need the light so that they can see. How you cut this one?
Ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house. What said you need some time, but I should stick around. What always felt like sticking around the same experience. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me, low down dirty, same.
Get me out the camera looking bad. No. And I'm bringing in my camera to your
you can bring it to the dinner because I'm a little cute, but your subscribers have.
Morgan's doing my lashes.
That's why you said you had.
Y'all follow Morg at Morgie Meeks.
Morgiano Meeks.
Morgiano Meeks. I'm gonna tag it for y'all and get into the ball because the ball is
I'm
balling.
gonna come. Alright, bye. Hey guys! I never did a YouTube video.
I never been in a YouTube video.
Crazy, I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient.
Morgan, I need the light so that they can see. How you cut this one? Because y'all need to get into... Oh, Jesus, it's real bright. Get into... They look so bomb.
You recording?
Yep.
Jasmine getting ready to say something. Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna say something to my best friend. So y'all know, well, of course Aunt Tony know. I'm like Aunt Tony's third child. But I've been in Joya's life for a very, very long time. Like I'm talking, we used to take baths together, y'all. That's how deep we go. So I get very, very emotional about her. Everybody knows that this is my baby. I love her so much.
Jazmine.
Stop. But God has brought us back into each other's life. Me and Joya was distant for about a year and a half. And God has brought us back into each other's life for a very special reason. And I'm just here to rock this road with you. You know how we go and how I go about you. So, I have a gift to lighten the mood, but before we get into that, so I have us best friends rings because you are my rock, you are my baby, and I love you so much. And you are forever more than my best friend. You're like a sister to me, my confidant. And I just want us to wear this all the time. So inside, y'all, it's engraved and it says best friends. And beautiful. So we're gonna rock that out, baby. And this is your light gift. We don't got cried out in here, but you know how we that was cute.
Let me close the door. I look terrible. But good morning, y'all. I am back with another video. Oh my god, I thought my charger was like, my camera was charged, but it's not. So I'm about to get ready to go to work. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face, brush my teeth, and get my life together. I have 3 clients today, and I'm not getting off till like 4 o'clock, but I have a late start. So let me get my life together and I'll call y'all back. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I don't think I said that this morning when I was getting ready, although it is still morning. It is currently 11:04 and I'm vlogging today, y'all. I'm vlogging today. But anywho, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms at @ZRedLipGoddess. You know the vibes. Like, how many times I gotta say it? Okay, I have 3 clients today. I think I said that in the beginning of my intro, but I don't really remember. So I'm just running it back. We run it down the day, okay? So I have 3 clients today, so I'm not gonna be done until like 4 o'clock. And it's currently 11:05. I am feeling like I want to stop past Starbucks if the line is not long, but I don't know. I'll have to make that call on my way to my Lash studio because I'm still probably like 20 minutes away and my first client is at 11:30. I am so excited to be vlogging. That's why I'm just rambling because I haven't talked to y'all. And get into the bob, y'all. I know my little flyaway's been looking a little crazy, but y'all gotta go to my Lash page. My personal page at @ZRedLipGoddess to see my latest pictures the day that I got the bob. Or I just might run that clip. Let's run that clip.
Yes, we make love and always just say goodnight. And we come sure do love it, but I need your lips on mine. Can you kiss me more? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way it moves. Oh.
Y'all, I'm in the office in my Lash suite. I gotta show y'all something. So y'all know Valentine's Day is coming up and I found these cute little bags for my clients, but what could I put in it? I don't know yet.
Oh, you write your name, I can do the same. Oh, I love the taste. La 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 la. Oh, you write your name, I can do the same. Oh, I love the taste. La 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 la. I feel like fucking something, but we could be corny. Fucking sugar, I ain't no dummy, dummy. I like to say what if, but if we can kiss and just cut the rubbish, then I might be on to something. I ain't giving you one in public, I'm giving you hundreds. Come get it, something we just gotta get into. Same first, middle, last on the wisdom tooth. And they wishing that the pussy was a kissing booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice, and that dinner just like visit too. And when we French refresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. You want lipstick, lip gloss, hickeys too. Huh. Kiss me more. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way it moves. Oh, you write your name, I can do the same. Oh, I love the taste.
Y'all, I got some cool ass shit that I really want to do and I'm gonna vlog the whole process because I want to make some changes to my suite. And I know people are probably wondering, like, why do you want to switch up your suite? It's so cute. Everybody loves like my aesthetic in here and how it looks, but I'm feeling like I want to change these abstract things off this wall. But I'm changing this and I want to sell this picture and that picture. They gotta go because I just want something new on my walls. I feel like it's not doing enough in here. So I'm gonna show y'all what I want to do. I'm not even gonna tell y'all the date that I'm doing this video because this video is going to go down in the books until this comes alive. Okay, so y'all remember when I said that I was going to change something over here? It's happening, and I'm going to show y'all the reveal of what it looks like when we're done. So I kind of like them that high a little bit. I'm gonna really need to move my Pampers though and change them. I don't want them like that though, in that order. it looks too ordered, if that makes sense. Like I want that one like in the middle and flip one maybe like upside down. And y'all, I now have a LED light around my TV. It's so cute. They can't even hear you because you're in my earbuds. We are not with Metro anymore. We are with AT&T. Did you see my TikTok? Y'all, I'm at Chick-fil-A. I didn't even end yesterday's vlog. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to start a new one.